I wasn't born in the spotlight. Nah. Had to grind and
Give me money, me no business, but wanna concern me. Why you can't catch me up? Cause your mind dirty.
Hey peeps, it's your girl Blessed Gaza Diva and welcome back to the Blessed Gaza Diva channel. People, it keeps getting better and better for Skillibeng. I don't know if when I'm going to stop saying it keeps getting better and better for Skillibeng. Now, Young M.A has posted Skillibeng. You know that he did a collab with her already, but I'm not rubbishing that there may be another one. And Lil Baby posted Skillibeng some time ago, and again, now they have a call out with Skillibeng. Anyway, when we get back, we're going to talk about it. We're going to look into it, and we're going to see what this means for Skillibeng and what his manager, Gotti Bling, had to say.
You're not like anyone else. You find the way you are. Did you do this all yourself? A smile ignites the room. Sending us up to the time, you know it's Cartel. Representing for Blessed D, Gaza Diva.
So for those of you who don't know the infamous Gotti Bling is responsible for Claims Records. Claims Records happen to be Skillibeng's home, and if you go to Claims Record, you will see something like this on the screen of Gotti Bling, and some people might think it's hype, but it's not hype. It's always been there, and he has been instrumental in bossing Skillibeng to the world, as we call it. So you'll see Claims Record, Billboard producer, boss at Skillibeng to the world. Good achievement. Why not claim it? Anyway, Gotti Bling, big up yourself. Yeah, I'm a dupes. So there has been this video going around with Gotti Bling, Skillibeng, Lil Baby. We have an article in which they tagged Gotti Bling from Zip 103, and it reads, recording artist Skillibeng and Claims Records are working with international rapper Lil Baby. Surprise! Early this morning, social media was buzzing after a photo began circulating showing Skillibeng, Claims Records, Gotti Bling, and Lil Baby on a video call. Last month, The Z reported that Lil Baby posted Skillibeng on his IG stories and was sure to tag the Brick Pon Brick artist in the post. The Z reached out to Gotti Bling about the photo, and he shared that they were discussing a possible collab with the rapper and Skillibeng. We were told that Skillibeng's verse is already done, while Lil Baby received his verse and loves it. He also shared with us that the rapper will record his verse after he gets some time, as he has just released his album, The Voice of the Heroes. There you have it again. Happy for Skillibeng. This can only mean more and more good promotion for Skillibeng. Tell me now down below in the comment section, people, please tell me who is doing it bigger than Skillibeng in his age group. Who has done more for dancehall? Isn't Skillibeng carrying dancehall on his back right now? A lot of people are claiming that they're carrying dancehall on their back, but aren't we seeing that Skillibeng is doing it effortlessly without a cause? People, let's look at dancehall in itself in the young artist era. Skillibeng is not older than 25 years old. Not one day older. He's not 25 yet. Skillibeng is 24 years old. And Skillibeng has been in the business for 2 years. Skillibeng has achieved so much in bringing dancehall to the world, showing people our culture, having a lot of people latch on to our songs. Even if people are recommending him to other rappers internationally, it is because he is catching on. People like his sound, people like his music, and as them call it, in ABC rhymes. Now, we're going to throw away that for a minute. I can imagine Lil Baby is easily right up there on the top 5 list of rappers who are hot today. And some weeks ago, you saw him posting Skillibeng's Coke and tagging him. And we see Lil Baby posting Coke and tagging him again. So if, remember, rappers follow each other. And As Lava put it, famous people follow famous people. If one famous person posts Skillibeng, listening to Skillibeng hot track, another one is going to be like, who is this Skillibeng person that they tag? Or the person just click on the tag, and once you click on the tag, you're going to get to Skillibeng. So when they get on Skillibeng's page, them two get addicted and start in listening to 1 and 2 songs. I know this is just the beginning for Skillibeng. I am dying to hear the release of Bobby Shmurda's song. We heard a snippet of it the other day, but we haven't heard the full song. And I know that Bobby Shmurda is cooking up an album because he just forwarded out of prison and he has not released a body of work. So I think that he is cooking up an album. And I personally think that the song is going to be on the album. I may be wrong, but let's see. That aside, Young M.A. posting Skillibeng, her following is automatically going to get exposed to Skillibeng. Other people are just going to click on the tag again. Who is this Skillibeng person? Let's listen to him. Listen to the music, catch on to it. That means that Skillibeng is already in the ears of many other rappers already. Now you have an artist like Lil Baby. Lil Baby is not no regular schmegular artist in America. My favorite song from Lil Baby, let's take a listen.
I've been a fan of police, but my neighborhood, no, I try to keep peace.
This man, during the pandemic and the George Floyd's issue, had one of the biggest tracks in the United States of America. He had this little interview. You can see how his mind is and how he thinks, where he's saying that he doesn't get tattoos because he believes that people who have tattoos are thugs.
I hear that you say that you don't have any tattoos.
Hey, yeah, we pay. I'ma turn it up a little more this time. Used to dream about getting out, got it on drive.
I don't want to be no thug. You feel? I don't want people to look at me like I'm a thug. You know what I'm saying? People with tattoos, and to me, you look like a thug.
Hey, yeah, we pay.
So, personally, this shows me a deeper side into the mentals of this person. Mind you, I'm not saying that people who have tattoos are bad people. I have tattoos. I have over 20 other tattoos. A tattoo doesn't make you bad, or it doesn't make you a good person. But at the end of the day, it's skin. Some people like it, some people don't. It sounds simple to a lot of people, but you can see that the man was spraying the thing deep. Now, he is a rapper that is looked up to and respected in the United States of America. A lot of people consider him to be one of the greats already. Like with the Kendrick Lamars and all of those, yes, they consider Lil Baby to be one of those greats. So you know that Lil Baby must be doing something that is right and must be doing something that is good. And for him to do a collaboration with Skillibeng, let me tell you, right now, I am so proud of Skillibeng. Every single video I made for Skillibeng for the last 8-9 months was worth it. When they're talking about Skillibeng not trending, when I'm talking about Skillibeng not going anywhere, when I'm talking about Skillibeng is a one-hit wonder, I saw talent in him. Skillibeng reminded me so much of Vybz Kartel. He waited his turn and him do things the right way. Him no freak out himself. Him not disrespect nobody to get on the big time. Him just do things the right way. And look how Skillibeng a win. Skillibeng nah stop winning now. I hope people see say Skillibeng nah stop winning now. The more them fight, the stronger Skillibeng get. And you see with all of these, Skillibeng is destined for the Grammy tables. If it's even to get a nomination on one of the categories on the tables, he is destined for it. And this is exactly what we want to see for somebody. Look at Coffee. She did it quickly as well. She won a Grammy in no time. And on the are in the past parring with Skillibeng. So great minds think alike and great talented people par together. I'm just so happy for Skillibeng. I can't wait to hear this song because I know of all the collaborations, the one with Nicki Minaj was a big, huge one. But of all the collaborations, I know that the one with Lil Baby is going to be the most anticipated of all of them. And especially if it is a new song. I don't know if it is just a remix or probably a coke because that's the song we heard him playing. Or you can tell me your thoughts down below in the comment section which song you think it's going to be. Anyway, people, as per usual, leave your thoughts down below in the comment section. Do you think Skillibeng is doing it biggest right now? Do you think Skillibeng is the most sought after dancehall artist right now? Do you think that Skillibeng has a far way to go? Do you think that Skillibeng has the potential to win a Grammy? And as per usual, we'll have a discussion down below in the comment section. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the notification bell. And if you've not yet smashed the like button on this video, smash the like button and send this out. I'm out.